Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Best Motivational Quotes, by Steve Jobs. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. It's really hard to design products by focus groups. A lot of times, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. I'm as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow know what you truly want to become. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. I don't care about being right. I care about success and doing the right thing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I think the things you regret most in life are the things you didn't do. We're here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here? Let's go invent tomorrow rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. I think different religions are different doors to the same house. Sometimes I think the house exists, and sometimes I don't. It's the great mystery. Remembering that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I've ever encountered to help me make the big choices in life. I'm actually as proud of many of the things we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.